Welcome back to Pagan Pathways. Today we're presenting 12 empowering morning rituals. What you do in the morning can set the tone for what happens until you go back to bed. Start your day with rituals that make you feel powerful and alive. Mornings are a busy time for many families, just trying to get everyone out the door on time. On the other hand, you and your kids may be spending your days at home. That can be just as stressful, especially if you're concerned about your health or finances. The specific habits you choose will depend on your values and goals. Start small. Consider the following ideas for morning rituals designed to help you thrive. Skip the snooze button. Do you feel groggy even after 8 hours of sleep? The trouble could be your snooze button. It interrupts your body's natural waking process. Refresh with water first. You may want to postpone your first cup of coffee. Plain water will rehydrate your organs and make you feel more alert. You can add flavor with berries, herbs, and cucumber slices. Eat breakfast. You also need to refuel. Enjoy a balanced meal of traditional breakfast foods. Stretch your muscles. This will help reduce the amount of stress in your body. It'll help you relax. It releases natural endorphins and it boosts your mood. Write in your gratitude journal. Count your blessings. Think of someone who you need to thank today. Put it all down so you don't have time to focus on the negative. Take a minute and feel nature. Go outdoors. Morning light wakes up your body and starts a hormone cycle that prepares you for restful sleep at night. Sit on your patio or porch and just take a minute to take it all in. Avoid technology. Resist the urge to lose yourself in social media. Turn off your phone or check for urgent messages only. Meditate. Meditation is great for helping to lower your blood pressure. It'll help cultivate your creativity, your intuition, and connection with self. What a great way to start the day. Prepare for the morning. This can be laying out your clothes, packing your lunch, packing your briefcase. Starting on tasks the night before can make your mornings much more pleasant and leave you time to do the things you really would like to do. Repeat your daily affirmations. Give yourself loving and motivational messages. Speak in the present tense and keep your statements brief. Looking in the mirror can help you focus. Listen to music. Research shows that listening to music reduces anxiety and enhances mental alertness and memory. Put together a personal playlist or turn on your favorite radio station. Plan your day. Set goals and block out your time. Otherwise, external events can keep you from focusing on your true priorities. Remember to leave yourself adequate downtime for refreshing breaks. Kick off your day with a morning routine that will make you feel more productive and fulfilled. Adopt positive habits and jump out of bed with a smile. There you have it, 12 empowering morning rituals. I hope they're helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk soon.